This video will show you how to do compositions that include reflections, so it just means I'm going to do multiple transformations in a row. For this composition, I have to do two types of transformations. The first thing I have to do is reflect triangle TAB over the line y equals 2, and then I have to translate the image using the rule x minus 5, y minus 4. If you look, the line y equals 2 is a horizontal line, and it is this line I just highlighted in blue. So I'm going to start with the reflection. I'm going to start at point T and count to the line y equals 2, so that's 1 away, and I'm going to count the same distance across, and that's T prime. So T prime is at 2, 1. I'm going to repeat the same thing for A, so A is 1 away. I'm going to count 1 across the opposite direction. A prime is at 1, 3. Then I'm going to repeat the same thing for B. So B, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is 5 away from the line. And if I count 5 across, I actually end up at 7, which is a little off the graph, but that's all right. So that point is at 4, 7. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start my translation using the rule x minus 5, y minus 4. I'm just going to do the math from my ordered pairs and then plot the points. So if I look at T prime, I have x is 2, and 2 minus 5 will get me negative 3. And then if I look at my y, I have 1, so 1 minus 4 gets me negative 3. So T double prime is going to be at negative 3, negative 3. I'm going to do the same thing for the next one. So A prime is at 1, 3. So starting with my x value, 1 minus 5 is negative 4. And then my y value, 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So A double prime is at negative 4, negative 1. And then last, B prime is at 4, 7. So if I start with the x value, 4 minus 5 is negative 1. And 7 minus 4 is 3. So my last point is at negative 1, 3, and that is B double prime. And so when I'm done with this transformation, this composition, my new triangle is the TAB double prime.